after a couple days of updating cam, updating CAD. I have soft jaws in place, ready to go. Gonna machine them out as replacements for these guys right here. So we have nice high quality soft jaws for the case. I have this arm in here right now that I'm gonna use this little waterproof case in, and we'll see if we can get some cool time-lapse shots of the machine milling. So let's take it out. There we have it. Old, new. Easy as that. Ready for the next one.